I hope you're all doing safe and fine, and I hope your family is doing great. It's an amazing period product which you should definitely try because it's like a life savior for me during periods. I just got a couple of jewelry from Amazon for the first time and a couple of skincare products for specifically for the summer season as well, like a shampoo and body wash and some mist and all of that. So without further ado, let's get started. One of the product that I picked up from Amazon is this beautiful little body wash. This is actually the Plum Goodness Hawaiian Rumba range. I really liked it. Previous videos I just showed you that I got body oil from the same range and I really love the fragrance of it. And I found these products on sale in Amazon, so I just went ahead and picked it up because I've used the body oil. I still use the body oil and I absolutely love it. So I thought of giving this a try. This is basically the body gel, shower gel. I really like it. As you can see, I've almost used till here. Today I've been using this shower gel and I absolutely like it. It's a complete gel consistency, transparent gel, and it's amazing. The fragrance is so damn good. It doesn't have any harsh chemicals or anything, and I really love the bottle shape of it, the color of it, everything about it I liked, and the pump model also works perfectly fine. It is like passion fruit, vanilla, floral hints from Hawaii. That's what all the ingredients and most of the flavors it has, and I don't know whatever exactly specific, but together it smells so damn good. I really liked it. Amazon actually delivered the product very nice and safe. There wasn't any leakage or any cap opening or any spillage at all completely, so everything was neatly packed. So if you're looking out for some shower gel that is really refreshing for summer and also makes you feel really fresh, and it also doesn't have much of harsh chemicals and it's not all that expensive, do check this out because it's really amazing. I really love the fragrance of it. It's so damn good. Next product that I got from the same range is this body mist as well, and not just that, I also got the body lotion also. So all of these three, they sell it together for some sale, or you can just buy individually also separate products. So this is basically the body mist. I just love it. As you can see, again, I've used this so much, although I'm literally not going out anywhere. I'm just home all day every day. What I do is, like, after taking shower in the morning, I just spray some of it on the clothes before wearing it, so all my house clothes smell this. It kind of feels fresh for the summer. At least it keeps me fresher till the next day I take shower because it really smells damn good. It's basically a body mist, but I do not like spray it on my body directly. I just like take shower and spray it on the clothes before wearing it. So the clothes smell of this body mist and it smells really great. I just like it a lot. It's so much, and also has a cap. It's basically a spray type thing. These are like the best combination ever. I just love it. So I've been using this body wash and the body oil that I showed in previous video, and also this body mist as like regular shower routine. I wash with this, apply oil as a moisturizer on my legs and hands, and then spray this on my clothes, so it smells really great. Now coming to the body lotion part of it, I'm not a favorite person of applying any cream or anything on my body because I myself is like oily skin and normal skin. I don't like anything weighing down or anything. So as you can see, it's very lightweight on the hand. It just completely sinks into the body. It smells really nice, so you can just give this out a shot. If you are a person who uses body lotion after taking shower, then do give this out a shot. But if you're like me, apply body oil and body mist are the great combination. I really love them a lot. I love certain products from Plum Goodness range. They are the green tea moisturizer is one of my favorite because I've been using it for a long time. Really a good pump format, and it's perfect as an oily skin moisturizer. And I've also used your night gel, which also I liked it, but I stopped. As I told you, I stopped using all of it, but these are the current products I'm using from Plum Goodness range. Now the next product that I picked up is this called a Sebamed Anti-Dandruff Shampoo for oily dandruff prone scalp. So I don't have dandruff or anything of that sort, but what I do is, like, during summer, like peak summer around like April and May, what I do only once or twice, I just use this as an alternative so that my scalp feels more fresh and clean, because there's a lot of oil buildup and sweat buildup because of the summer season. Monthly once, I just use this to have a deep clean on my scalp so that there's no any product buildup or any kind of a dandruff or sweat buildup or anything on my scalp. This is a great. I've been using this for many years now. So I just get one bottle of this for an entire year, or probably even 1.5 years. I just use only one bottle. If you have dandruff also, this completely removes. So if you have like real bad dandruff and you want to remove it completely off your scalp, you can use this at least like consequently for 3 times. It completely removes dandruff completely from your head. But I use it as a precautionary measure. I got 3 jewelry from Amazon, and one of which is still not delivered at all. It's been more than like 15 days, I think more than 2 weeks since I ordered the product, and the product never reached me at all. It's taking a lot of time for it to reach. These are the 2 jewelry I got it from Amazon for the first time. I am not a jewelry person, but I really like dainty chains, and dainty bracelets are my kind of favorite thing, and rings are my favorite. But the problem with this is it comes in a cardboard box like this, and it has a plastic wrapper packaging like that, and the product is completely tangled, you guys. It's completely tangled. I've been struggling so hard to get rid of the tangle, but I'm just not able to do it. The quality looks good, the color looks really nice, the model also looks really nice, but so damn tangled. So I just spent like 5-10 minutes like untangling it. It's completely tangled like this. I was really disappointed, but I really like the quality of it. I really like the model of it. I just love the way it looks, and it's a layered chain basically, so it's gonna look great on spaghetti top or tank tops if I'm gonna wear it with a skirt or any kind of dresses, since I'm more of into dresses at all these while. So this looks really great on those, but unfortunately I'm not able to untangle them. Probably if I spend 15 minutes straight just untangling this, I might be able to do it. The product design is really good, doesn't feel cheap at all, but then this kind of getting tangled up thing, I really don't like it. So it has 3 layered chain, a triangle on the top, a round on the top, and this plated detailing on the bottom. It just looks great, but it's super tangled. I am probably sure I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I'm really pissed off. Not just that, there's the other product that I picked up from the same seller, also the same condition, same way, again put it in a plastic wrapper like this, and again came like a ball like this. This is also completely tangled up. This is a 4-layered chain. That is like a 3-layered chain, and this is a 4-layered chain, again completely messed up. So it's basically a 4-layered chain. It looked really great on the picture. Again, the quality wise it looks really great, but these are like fashion jewelry, which means you cannot like wear it like a regular piece. There shouldn't be any water or anything on it. I'm sure Amazon will have better sellers who can sell jewelry that is gonna be like proper, and not this seller alone is like that. And unfortunately I ended up getting 2 of the jewelry from the same seller. That's why it ended up tangled like that. And I also got this bracelet from Amazon, which I'm yet to receive because it's because of pandemic and all of it. It's never getting delivered at all. It's been more than 2 weeks since I ordered the product. It's one of the absolute essential, and I just love it a lot, and I recommend all of you girls to get it because this is like the best product ever. At least it definitely works for me. This is basically the P-Save roll-on. It's made of menthol and eucalyptus oil. Just roll it on your tummy, lower tummy and your lower waist, so that cramps and that feeling of pain is never going to be there. It's just going to relieve you of that, and it definitely works. I've been using this product for more than 3-4 years now, and I absolutely swear by the product, and I just love it. So basically a roll-on thing inside. Whichever part pains, you can just apply it on it. Sometimes when head aches or something, I also apply a little bit of roll-on there. It doesn't cause any damage to my skin or anything of that, but before doing that, do check it out, because for the body it's completely safe, but for face or anything, you have to be really careful. If you have a super sensitive skin, then it might cause like burning or something of that sort. That I apply to it, in 15 minutes the pain just vanishes away, or at least definitely gets reduced. And after a point, I would just like forget about I'm having any pain or anything of that sort. So this is a product that I swear by it. I just love this product a lot, and this is like a must-have for every month. I need this product, and I just love it. One bottle of it will last definitely a year, at least for me. The best part about this is it relieves you of the pain. That's really good. It doesn't have any harsh chemicals, the second point, and the third point, it doesn't damage your clothes. It's not going to stink, or it's going to cause any oil stains on your clothes. I really love the part. I just love the P-Save product a lot. If you are somebody who have never tried out this product, do definitely give it a try, because it completely relieves you of pain. It's like savior. You might just thank me later on, but I think it works for most people. I guess I don't know if it works for everybody, but for me it definitely works. So just give it a shot. Soon I'll catch you guys again with a brand new video next week. Until then, it's your girl Aditi signing off. Take care. Bye bye.